Today marks the start of the Lunar New Year and the Year of the Horse. We chose this day intentionally to announce something important for WorkPro customers and users, a complete rebuild of the WorkPro platform. And we are calling it WorkPro, a new foundation, built for scale, speed, and security. The Year of the Horse represents momentum, strength, and endurance. It's about committing to moving forward when the work is demanding. That's exactly what this represents. WorkPro has always existed to support readiness. Readiness for organisations simplifying workforce compliance and readiness for people preparing for work. Many of you already rely on WorkPro to reduce administration, improve visibility, and confidently maintain your legal employer obligations. What we are responding to now is what happens over time. Screening and compliance does not stop after onboarding. People move roles, credentials change, regulations shift, and systems need to keep pace without teams constantly chasing updates or rechecking information that should already be trusted. WorkPro, a new foundation, focuses on those moments where compliance and readiness are most fragile. When information goes out of date, when systems don't align, when people move roles, and processes must be repeated. By strengthening the foundations and aligning with the natural way that individuals use and interact with technology platforms, we will create a program that can hold continuity and galvanise a streamlined user experience. One where automation takes over and what is repeatable, data remains reliable as it moves, and people can spend their time on decisions, risks, and outcomes that genuinely require judgment. We are building this work collaboratively alongside our customers, candidates, and partners. So it reflects how screening, hiring, engagement, and workforce compliance actually operates in the real world. WorkPro, a new foundation, begins now, built for scale, security, and speed, and designed to support what comes next. We're looking forward to building it with you.